Hello everyone, and welcome to another AI accredited video. Today we're learning how to make stunning thumbnails for your videos using only one tool, Gravity Write. This site offers a wide range of options from blog tools to YouTube tools, as well as rewriting options, SEO tools, a writing assistant, e-commerce, image creation, marketing and advertising tools, and much more. It can even write songs for you or generate prompt ideas for writing textbooks, kids' books, novels, and really almost anything you can imagine. It's a really complete suite of tools to use. To generate a thumbnail using Gravity Write, go to the image generation section in the left side menu. Then look for YouTube thumbnail in the image creation section. Here you can choose to create anything from a logo, product design, avatars, 3D, websites, and so many other things. Go straight to the bottom to select YouTube thumbnails. In the thumbnail section, you'll see a lot of different thumbnail styles between general, social media, high energy, dynamic, trendy, and YouTube and social media. For this tutorial, we're choosing the trendy thumbnail style. To do so, click the Create Image button below the thumbnail style. Once inside, you can tweak the options for your thumbnail. First, enter the character you want to appear in your thumbnail. Give it a good description so you can have a coherent character. Then enter the emotion you want your character to have. It can be any expression like excitement, shock, confusion, happiness, sadness, or whatever comes to your mind. After the emotion, type the eye-catching text you want your thumbnail to show. That text that will make everyone click on your video to watch it. If we look through the advanced options, we can choose the image model to use depending on the type of image we want to generate. The style of the generated image. Here we can choose a general style, 3D render, realistic, and more. Then the aspect ratio for the thumbnail, which will be 16:9. And if you have a paid plan, you can choose between standard or HD quality. When you're happy with the options, click the Generate Image button and you'll see the enhanced prompt created by Gravity Write to generate your image. In just a few seconds, you'll get the result. And let me tell you, this is looking good. The text is accurate, the expression on point, and the quality is pretty good too. To save your thumbnail, click the Download button below the generated image to save it to your computer, and that's it. See you in the next video.